Introduction to Cash-In Digital Budgeting.
Most digital budgeting apps are designed for credit and debit transactions. However, tracking cash spending is just as important. Being diligent about entering cash transactions ensures your budget reflects your true spending habits. This guide will walk you through the best way to manage cash in your digital budgeting app, helping you keep your finances balanced and up to date.
Setting up a cash account.
Start by creating a dedicated cash account in your budgeting app. Most apps allow you to add accounts separate from your bank or credit cards. Label this as cash or a similar name. This account will act like a virtual wallet, letting you track the cash you have on hand and monitor your spending easily.
Recording cash withdrawals.
Whenever you withdraw money from your bank or ATM, log this transaction by transferring funds from your bank account to your cash account in the app. This step keeps your budget accurate, reflecting the move of funds from your digital balance to physical cash. Be sure to record the exact amount and date of the withdrawal.
Logging cash expenses.
Each time you spend cash, enter the transaction in your cash account. Select the appropriate spending category, like groceries or entertainment. Many apps allow for quick manual entries or even receipt capture. Recording these purchases right away prevents forgotten expenses and helps you spot spending trends, just like your digital transactions.
Reconciling and maintaining your cash balance.
Regularly compare your app's cash account balance with the cash you have physically. If there's a difference, review your transactions to find any missed or incorrect entries. Making reconciliation a habit ensures your records remain accurate, provides a complete financial picture, and makes budgeting more effective in the long run.
Tips for staying organized.
Set reminders to record cash spending as soon as possible. Consider using transaction notes to track small purchases or unclear expenses. Review your cash account weekly to stay on top of your budget. By making cash tracking part of your regular routine, you'll develop better money habits and improve your overall financial management.